Multiple sclerosis. Introduction. Myelin is the substance that covers the axons of neurons. Select true or false. Correct. Myelin is a fatty substance that shields axons the way insulation shields electrical wires. The inflammation of myelin may occur in different places and at different times. Select true or false. Correct. That is why the disease is called multiple sclerosis. Do most MS patients have rapidly progressing MS that leads to paralysis and other severe symptoms? Select yes or no. Correct. Most patients regain enough function to allow them to continue leading a normal life. Only a small number of MS patients have continually severe episodes, leaving them debilitated and unable to function well. Can medications cure MS? Select yes or no. Correct. There is no cure for MS yet. Researchers are conducting many clinical trials to find new treatments. Thank you for using Explain.